So just a little bit of notation here. Um, we talked about what logarithms are. Logarithms are bases or are exponents, right? We can change the numerical base here. Okay, and this base can be any number, any non-negative, non-zero number. So I guess positive numbers only work down here, right? And when there are two very specific types of logs that we want to focus on here, and that is a log with the base of e. Now remember that e is not a variable. E is what we call the natural base. Okay, and the reason it's called the natural base is because it is the base of a logarithm that we call natural log. Okay, so this is a logarithm that we refer to as natural log. It's a lowercase l, lowercase n, and then an x. All right. Think natural log NL. This is ln because I believe it's either Latin or Greek for log naturalis. Okay, so this has been around a long time, but they call it the natural log, and that is with base e. And that natural base, remember, is approximately 2.71828, yada, 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 yada. So when you see a natural log like so, you're not going to see a number down here, okay? The assumption when you see this is that we are talking about log base e, okay? Now, when a log has a base of 10, which is fairly common, right? Because we've said before the base of the log is the base of the exponent. And a lot of times we have 10 to the something power, right? When we're talking about scientific notation, which some of you guys have experience with, okay? So when we refer to scientific notation, there's always a 10 to the something power. So a lot of times we like to use 10 as the base of a logarithm, okay? That log doesn't get written with a base. So these are the two logs that are not going to have bases written. This is referred to as the common log, and this is referred to as the natural log. So when you just see a log and no base, the assumption is that it is log base 10. When you see ln, this is a logarithm, even though it doesn't say log, it says ln. This is a logarithm that has a base of e, okay?